Yeah, lads. Right, so we're in Danny's EVO, the 570 brake EVO. Which I've just done a review on. I know that my mum is a terrible passenger, right? And she needs to come out in this car. We need to video her actually in this car. She's going to be so mean, and it's going to be so horrible, but it's going to be so fucking funny. Now the game plan is, I'm going to pull up on the drive, I'm going to go into the house and I'm going to be like, hi John, come out in this car, you'll really like it, it's really nice. Because if I go in there like, you've got to come out in this, she'll be like, and she'll say no. I've already had it past her about a week ago and she said no way. But if I go in nice and calm and relaxed and she's like, come on, just come out of this, it's really nice, you'll really like it. Like, I think I might get one, what do you think? And then and we're going to see, we've got a backup plan if that doesn't work. Right, we're going to set the GoPro up beforehand, just so it looks like it was just left there from when I did the review. And hopefully she doesn't notice. Alright, so here is the 570 brake EVO. Let's pray she comes out in it. I'm going to keep the camera facing the floor, because if she sees me walking with a camera, she's going to suspect something. So we'll have to play this right. Right, so she said, I've rang her, she's not in now, I've rang her, she's at Lidl. I said, no, I've got a car, it's really nice, when you come see it. She's like, oh, I'm back in 5 minutes. So it's good, it's off to a good start. Yeah, John, let me help you with all this stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Licking ours, we're licking ours. Yeah, well, alright, that's fine, because the car's over there anyway, so do you want me to walk over with you?
I won't drive the car over again.
Alright, we'll meet you over there.
Who?
What an animal. It's an absolute animal.
As soon as it's drove past then, I thought that's definitely it.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Isn't it? Sitting. Gorgeous inside.
What actually is it?
It's an EVO.
Yeah. Oh, is this that EVO?
No, that's a different one.
Different one. Don't trap me in it.
No. It's standard, this one. So it's not very fast, but...
Oh, it's nice and clean, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I like the seats.
That's what I mean, like... No, that would... Yeah, I did that. I've got that EVO next week and Stacey's having issues with it, so this is just someone else's, but it's pretty standard. This it's slower than the Subaru, but it's pretty, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really nice. Hang on, shut this door. Get on the other side, we'll go for a quick spin.
No, I'm not going for spinning it. I don't like.
Come on, it's really nice, isn't it?
No,
It's cool.
yeah, no.
No, because I know what it'll do.
He won't, not with me in the car, he won't.
It's slower than the Subaru.
I know it is, but I don't like going fast anyway.
We won't go fast because he won't go fast with me in the car.
We're not going to go fast, it's really nice.
It's really nice, and it smells lovely as well.
Do not go fastly. I don't want to see how fast it goes.
I'm not going fast, don't be silly.
Won't go fast.
I don't go on these lengths. Because I don't want to go on these lengths. I don't even want to be in it. I don't like it.
No, it's really nice.
Yeah, but just try slowly in it. You know how fast it goes. You like that, I don't. You better not go fastly.
No, don't be silly. Don't go fast, it's just really nice.
I don't want to go on the lengths. Just go round the roundabout and come back. Because I've got to put a few in for tea or out. Chicken dinner.
Should be in, to be fair. It's got dead stiff suspension with it though, so it's like... See, that's quite stiff. It's just the spring he's got on it.
Help! It's got a cracked windscreen.
That's alright. Do you know you never felt like that in a long time, admit it.
I haven't, you're right.
It's only it's good, isn't it?
Like that ever again.
Give me a quick hug before you go. Give me a quick hug. Right, so why we're driving down here, my dad lives down here, and he used to be madly into his cars. Like he used to be, I think he was going to get an EVO 6 at one point, and he went and got a Clio Williams instead. So we're going to do the same to him. We'll get him in the car, and he'll get in easily. I don't think he'll take much bullshit. Hi then! EVO 6, Tommi Makinen. Do you like it? It's no, I've just got it for the day. Right, play a little game called Guess the